Hi guys, my name is Arina and welcome back to my channel where I review everything tech. Finally, this day has come and I got my hands on the new iPhone 12 Pro Max, so in this video let's open this box. And also I was curious to know how long it would take to fully charge the 12 Pro Max with the new MagSafe charger, so I'm gonna do a charging test at the end of this video. And it feels like this year everyone has unboxed the 12 Pro Max in the gold color, and yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing guys, since among these 4 colors I felt most curious about this gold one, so let's begin. I would say the whole unboxing experience feels very similar to the unboxing of the iPhone 12, but this phone is obviously bigger, and let's see. Here's my 11 Pro Max, and this is the 12 Pro Max, and as you can see, the 12 Pro Max is just a little bit taller, but when it comes to width, they look pretty much the same to me. By the way, look how much bigger the lenses on the 12 Pro Max look when compared to the 11 Pro Max, but we'll talk about the camera of the new 12 Pro Max in a minute. And in the box we have a USB-C to Lightning cable. There is no charging brick in the box, but we still get a manual with a SIM tool and a sticker. Honestly, when I just found out that the new 12 Pro Max is gonna be bigger than the 11 Pro Max, I was kinda afraid that the 12 Pro Max would be too big for me, since I have pretty small hands and I prefer small bags, but honestly, it feels pretty much the same as my 11 Pro Max, so if you have any doubts about the size of this phone, no, it doesn't feel huge. You'll be absolutely okay with the size of this phone if you're used to big screen phones. And when it comes to how heavy this phone is, the 12 Pro Max and the 11 Pro Max are pretty much the same weight, they're just 4 grams apart. Well, I must say, in real life, this phone looks much better than expected. It has a beautiful stainless steel frame, and yes, you'll see a lot of fingerprints on it, but honestly, I couldn't care less about the fingerprints since I always have a case on my phone. And speaking of which, let's open this box with the new case for the 12 Pro Max. It's an Apple silicone case with MagSafe. This color is called Plum. I like it. It looks pretty good with the gold finish of the phone. I've noticed that because of the square shape of the 12 Pro Max, this phone feels less comfortable and grippy in my hands, so I think it will take me some time to get used to it. We have a 6.7-inch AMOLED display on the 12 Pro Max, and just like on the whole iPhone 12 lineup, the bezels on this phone look slightly smaller than on its predecessors. Also, I've noticed that the colors look different on the 11 Pro Max and the 12 Pro Max, but I'll talk about it in more detail in my comprehensive review. Now let's talk about the camera setup of this phone, and once again we have a triple 12-megapixel camera on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but we get some new features here, and I think one of the most exciting ones is the night mode portraits. Also, just like on the whole iPhone 12 lineup, we get the night mode on the ultra-wide camera, and thanks to LiDAR, which we get on the 12 Pro Max, we should get up to 6 times faster autofocus in low light. So we'll see how it works in the real world in my comprehensive camera comparison video. Stay tuned for that. But for now, I took a few photos with the 12 Pro Max for you guys. Let me know what you think. And now let's quickly take out the new MagSafe charger and the 20-watt USB-C power adapter from Apple. And the reason why I'm using this MagSafe in the charging test is because I want to see if this thing is worth spending the extra money on. And let's set up a stopwatch. Let's go. And in 30 minutes, we get 29% on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. In 1 hour, we have 49%. In 1 hour and 30 minutes, we have 68%. And I think I'll make this test faster for you guys, since it took 3 hours and 3 minutes to fully charge the 12 Pro Max with the MagSafe charger. Well, honestly, I expected a slightly better result, so if you ask me, I don't think I will be using the MagSafe as my go-to charger, but for an occasional quick charging, it should be alright. Stay tuned for my comprehensive review, as well as the real-world camera comparisons featuring the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and see you in the next one!